Welcome to Vlada's Place. Holidays are around the corner, which is a perfect time and perfect season for baking. I'm sharing a great banana bread recipe with you. Every bite is rich with the good omegas, good proteins, and lots of fiber. On the top of that, this recipe will deliver a very moist banana bread. Alright, let's start with 3 ripe bananas and a half a cup of raw honey, 2 eggs, and 1 stick of melted butter, half a teaspoon of real vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. You can go per your taste on both of these spices. Next is a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2/3 of teaspoon of baking soda. Rest of it is just as easy. Here goes a 1/3 cup of chia seeds, 1/3 cup of hemp seeds, and you see I have a few pumpkin seeds in here as well, 1/3 cup of ground almonds or almond flour, and 1/3 cup of flax seeds. Let's mix this, and by the way, you can find the recipe for this banana bread right below this video. And here comes unexpected ingredient, which is a kefir or kefir. We are going to go with a half a cup of kefir. This will bring the moisture to the recipe. Now we're going to add a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. We'll mix this together and then we will pour it in a well-buttered dish. If you follow my work, you might be aware that I have a non-profit organization which is focused on reconnecting families and bringing them back to dining table for a quality family time and a healthy homemade meal. Keeping our kids involved and engaged in a daily routine is very important, especially during holidays. So Marco is helping me decorate a banana bread, and this was entirely his idea, while Michaela is making handmade Christmas cards. Holidays are a perfect time to re-engage with your children and your family. And I hope that you will find time to treasure simple moments of warmth, creativity, peace, and calmness. So happy holidays from Vladic family. And until the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.